Do you know the city of Valencia? Next to the Mediterranean Sea in Spain, the Polytechnic University of Valencia, in collaboration with the Technical University of Cluj-Napoca, the University of Applied Sciences of Vienna, and the University of Limerick, is organizing a 5-day summer camp from the 17th to the 21st of July. Are you a first or second year student of a degree related to robotics, computers, mechatronics, mechanical, electronics or electrical engineering? Do you want to test your ability to learn and apply your future career? Are you interested in the environment or social welfare? Do you want to practice your English? We want to offer you a unique experience where you can work with students from Europe for a week, learning and facing a specific challenge. With teachers specialized in digital systems programming from the School of Informatics and the Department of Computer Engineering of the UPV. As it is funded by Erasmus+, you can apply for a grant at your university. Do you want to know how it works? The challenge is developed by teams of 3 or 4 students from different universities. Each group must develop a prototype of a digital artifact that responds to an environmental or social problem that you've detected. You'll have to code a microcontroller to measure environmental values using sensors. We want to see your data or what you're able to do with it. Do you know about blended learning? To prepare for the challenge, we have 4 phases. Between March and April, you'll be able to prepare yourself with webinars and materials that you'll find on our website. By the end of May, you'll have to send your contact teacher a cover letter of yourself and your idea. Selected students will move on to Phase 3. We'll announce the participants and their ideas so that you can get in touch with them and form your team. You'll have to contact them and start developing your idea with the help of your teachers. The summer camp is entirely face-to-face. You'll share the experience of programming your own digital system as a team. In addition, you'll receive 3 ECTs for participating until the end of the challenge. You can contact the coordinator of your university. And if you're an enhanced student, you can contact the coordinator of the event. We look forward to seeing you at the summer camp from the 17th to the 21st of July. Stay tuned!